Let's do this.
Okay.
Hey! Bitch Smoke! It's me, Carl! Chill, chill!
First blood.
Man's really sweating me. He really wants me dead. Wonder what I did.
Let's do this.
Oh shit, not good.
Okay. No worries. We will meet again, my friend. Now for round 2.
Let's go.
I heard you were
Told you we'd meet again.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello there.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Watch out. K9 incoming. Airdrop has been delivered.
I don't know why it didn't let me ADS. 193, imagine.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming.
Huh?
Watch out. K9 incoming.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as boy.
Be careful. Poltergeist is active. Airdrop incoming.
Sit your ass down.
Man was trying to be way too aggressive cause he had a Jack 12.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Hello there.
The revived flight will arrive.
So there's more than one. Okay, let's reposition. Epic fail.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Imagine if that had hit. Man's running for his life. Hold on, my friend, I just want to give you a free Activision airline ticket.
The revived flight will arrive.
Okay. He got away. Hello there. Welcome back. Bye-bye.
Tank has been dropped.
Yoink!
Airdrop incoming.
Jesus is Lord! What the was that?
Half of the teams are eliminated. Airdrop.
Another epic fail.
Revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Sit down, big fella!
You again. You must really hate me now. Where do you think you're going? Man killed himself.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.